Are you enjoying your sweets? You can make a story out of them. Okay, go.
One day there was a little cherry walking and stopped. Suddenly she heard something going.
How is it he or she?
I don't know.
It's doing cartwheels. Oh God!
And suddenly, a big, massive crocodile came out going.
Oh.
And then a giant ate the crocodile.
Oh God! Is that it? That it? Okay, my turn. Okay. Oh wow. Okay, there was a person who liked to bake cakes, and his name was Johnny Baby, and he baked the most delicious strawberry cupcake in the world, and he gave it to his girlfriend, and then his girlfriend gave it to the flour, and then the flour gave it to the ice cream, and then the ice cream and the cupcake was an ice cream cupcake. The end.